Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all friends? I hope you are all fine and doing good. So my dear friends, in today's video I will show you the most beautiful, trendy, outstanding, amazing designs of bodycon dresses, design ideas 2023, designs latest collection design ideas, new year design ideas. You can see in my videos. I hope you will enjoy it from my videos, so don't forget to give your positive feedback in the comment section. Do tell me how was the video, how are the designs, and which type of more designs do you want to watch of my channel. Beautiful colors, beautiful designing on these beautiful bodycon dresses designs. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas you can explore in this video. And I hope you are gonna love this collection. You are gonna find this collection very happy for your YouTube videos. If you want to be updated by latest fashion trend, please stress designing ideas to make sure it's all about latest fashion trend. You will find hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel. I hope you will also find them juicy feeling helpful for you guys. So dear friends, my goal is simply to help you. My channel is all about western fashion. Here you will see. I hope you will enjoy it from my videos. In this video you can see beautiful, very useful collection of solid colors of beautiful bodycon dresses design. So solid colors. I hope that you are gonna love this collection. All the designs are so beautiful, stunning, outstanding and amazing. That after watching this video, I hope that you are gonna love this collection. These are all designer dresses design ideas. You can also customize these types of beautiful bodycon dresses, and this is very beautiful and very trendy in fashion, as you can see. So my dear friends, if you like my videos, please don't forget to give your positive feedback. So dear friends, please do like my videos, subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed here, and if you are subscribed my channel, click the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notification of all my videos and my videos. You will never miss my video and collection on my YouTube channel, and I always try to bring YouTube videos just to good it for you. So don't forget to give your positive feedback in the comment section. Do tell me how was the video, how are the designs, and which type of more designs do you want to watch on my channel. I am recorded just for you, so please support me by sharing my videos with your friends and family members and relatives. Thanks for watching my videos. We will meet in the next video with great and awesome ideas. Keep connected, stay tuned, and keep supporting me by sharing my videos. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all friends?